everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the solution for string with difference of every two consecutive characters. So for example, we have been given this string. What we need to do is calculate the difference of two consecutive characters in ASCII value and put it in between them. Okay, so for example, we have this string. So what first we need is the ASCII values. You can refer the ASCII table here. The A's ASCII value is 97, B's ASCII value is 98, C's ASCII value is 99, D's ASCII value is 100, E's ASCII value is 101. Okay. So in this question, what we need to do is we need to write a string A, B, E, C, D, and what we need to do is calculate the difference of two consecutive characters. So what we need to put in between them is B minus A, E minus B, C minus C, and D minus C. We have been given these as their values, so we can calculate it. So B minus A is 1, E minus B is C, C minus E is minus 2, D minus C is 1. So this kind of output should be generated if we get this string. You can verify it. We have used the same as our example. Okay, so how we can do this? So first of all, we are going to create an answer string and we are going to put our first character here, and then it's very simple. First we are going to calculate the difference of the current character minus the previous character. Of course, first we are going to convert it into ASCII values and then calculate their difference, and then what we are going to do is put the current character in the answer string. Okay, so that's how we are going to do our work. So let's create our answer string. So here it is, answer is empty, and first we are going to add first character st of 0 for in range first character till last character, so length of string first we are going to do is calculate difference. So st of I minus st of I minus 1, and what we are going to do is this difference to our answer string, and then my current character, and after our loop is completed I need to print this answer string. Alright, so string minus string isn't anything that we have defined yet. So first of all, we need to convert it into ASCII value. So for that we are going to use ORD. Okay, now you must be wondering, I'm using ORD. Does ORD gives me the Unicode value? So here's an interesting fact for you. So if I write my Unicode like this is my Unicode. I am going, if I represent my Unicode like a big block like this, then my ASCII value will be inside it, meaning that ASCII values are subset of Unicode, or you can say Unicode is superset of ASCII values. And if you will look at the Unicode's table, then what you will find will be starting 128 values will be same as my ASCII values. Alright, so it doesn't matter if I'm using Unicode directly, ASCII code directly, or Unicode values here, because in both of the cases my values won't change, because ASCII value is present in my Unicode values, and starting 128 values are same. Alright, so I'm going to use ORD function here. Instead of converting it into ASCII values, I'm just going to use Unicode values here. So this is my integer value now, and I'm subtracting some integer value, and I'm going to get integer in my difference. So what I'm going to do is convert it into string so that we can add to our answer, or rather concatenate to our answer. And now we're done. So let's run it. Okay, so our code is being accepted for sample test case. Let's run for all test cases. Okay, we got 10 out of 10 marks, which means that it is completely correct for all test cases. Alright, so with this question, we are done with the solution of string with difference of every two consecutive characters. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.